Let's look more on web tools explained in Microsoft Publisher. We are looking at more of the website tools. Which other website tools can we as well rely on? Onto our start menu, we go to all programs, then we pick Microsoft Publisher. Upon picking Microsoft Publisher, we shall be prompted with uh, a Microsoft publication types. Then on two publication types, through calendars and others, you can pick. You go straight and pick websites. When you pick websites, you will be prompted with other templates. A lot of templates are available. Then you can choose that one template that may work for you. Then that template, upon developing it, or upon choosing it, then you can develop it here. But after all that, you can continue going with your onto that template. Then you start working upon it. But having been that we have worked on it, let's continue with this. Now the other part of the, let's go to another part of this. We can use what we call um, the insert word art. So let's come down here and try to insert word art. Insert, it's another tool. So this tool helps you to do some sort of art pieces that can make your website look extremely good. So you can come here, then you choose the desirable design, then you write in some sort of words. You can as well say uh, so if you have this as your one wonderful word that you may want, then you can change the font. You can change the font to any other font that may work for you. For instance, that one. You can increase the size in case it's what you want. You can bold the, that particular word. So if that item is fully well designed according to the wish of the customer, or according to what you may preferably want, then you can now place OK. You can now place OK if it's what you want. So you can as well say OK. So the design is now visible here. Now you can pull down. The more you pull down, the more curvy it becomes. Let's try to put it straight here. So the more I pull down, the more curvy our word will become. So if we have done this, we may continue to pull. So here we are having our word designed very well. You can now reduce its size so that it can fit into your page. You can reduce the size here. So you can put where you want that particular piece to appear. So this is one of the other way of trying to insert using tools. So these are other tools. For instance, you can as well come and pick another word art, like you continue to have, you can continue to write into these documents uh, and formulate any word that you may as well feel like inserting into your document. So it is very very easy for all of us to in the process. It is very easy for all of us to design those items while basing on the word art. You can just come and pick exactly that piece that may bring out the feel or the copy and feel of what you may want. You can either pick this, the words will run from up going down, as long as you have put them right. So long as you have put those words right, you may have, for instance, this. Then you can as well say okay. So when you look at this, what the word that you've tried to insert has come while flowing, going downwards. You can as well come and format auto word art. Then you can change the color, or we shall look into the processes of changing those uh, other items that we may need. We shall look at how to edit the word art. So definitely these are of the few items that one can rely on while trying to design a website in Microsoft Publisher. So you can continue to grow to make your website very rich while basing on such items like word art into website development. Um, Another item that we can as well embrace into web design development is a line. So you may preferably want to use a line somewhere. It could be going vertical, horizontal, or in a form. You just pick it there, then you align it into your website. Then after, you can right click on it, then you format auto shape. You can edit, you can get the colors of that line, you can you can change the style, you can increase the width, uh, you can as well put a end of the line or the beginning, then you can put also the end, then you can say okay. So here we see that we have got such lines in our website. You can still get this other line, then you can just come to format shape, then you may leave the style, then you change the color, then you can as well say okay. So we have got this other line with us going down. Still you can increase a little bit of its, you can also increase its um, width. You can also increase the width a little more so that it's more visible. So, So in accordance with your architectural designs or the format that preferably you may want, you may pick the dashed ones. You may as well increase the weight. So this is what we are having right here. You can also change the font color somewhat. Then you can as well say okay. So this is what we are having. So all these are tools that one can use while trying to design or to come up with a website. So you can continue to do your work and apply measures. Then you can uh, come up with some sort of beauty in the item that you are designing. So you could have something of this nature with us. So these are also something that might be as well useful when it comes to web development. When it comes to web development, lines are also truly usable in very many aspects. So you may not underestimate the power of such items while trying to design a website. Briefly, we can end here for now.